Hey, it's Hannah from WTI.
Hi.
If you have an active and messy pet, then this pet bowl from Active Pets is such a great option for you. I have a couple of really messy eaters. They love to chew their food outside of the bowl and spread it all over the place. So this set is such a great option for me and for my girls because it keeps it all in one place. I really appreciate about this set of dog bowls that they are dishwasher safe. And my cats even use these bowls, and actually, it's such a great option for them because, believe it or not, they are messier than my dogs when they eat. They spread their food all over the place, and this really helps keeping contained. And what's really great about these and how it catches all of the leftover crumbles that get knocked off to the side is you can just pick this up, pour right back in the bowl, you're good to go. I really appreciate the way that this is constructed. My pups love eating out of this bowl. My cats love eating out of this bowl. I think it is such a high quality product. And if it's something that you're considering getting, then definitely it is worth a purchase. And that is my point of view.